is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. A girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing the Target Beauty Box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with the Target Beauty Box, it is $7 per month, and it gives you the brands that Target thinks you will love. Okay, and they give you the opportunity to let them know what you think. Now, with that $7, we also get a $3 coupon that can be used with any other manufacturer's coupon that you may have. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the February box. One more thing, the only way you can get this box is if you go to target.com/beautybox. It is normally not sold in stores unless it is a special occasion. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I'm gathering this has something to do with the lips. Why? Because that's what's all over the top of this box. So, the theme for this month is Pucker Up. Okay, and this is our description card, which says, the secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with some tender love and care, and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we rounded up our fave finds that'll keep your pout perfectly kissable. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox or in your local Target store. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump right in. Of course, on the other side is the description card, as well as that $3 coupon that I was telling you about. Okay, now this, I'm loving the color of the paper as well for this month. And yes, this is about the lips, all about the lips, okay? And this is jam-packed full of full-size products. Okay, let's check it out. The first item is the 12 NYC Cooling Gel Lip Mask, okay? And it says, delivers cool, soothing relief for a moisturizing at-home spa experience, okay? And I will let you know across the bottom what the manufacturer suggested retail price for these products are at your Target store. Now, the directions on the back of this say, to cool mask, place in the refrigerator for 1 hour or in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. Place mask on the lips for 10 to 15 minutes. For best results, use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing product, okay? So that is item number 1. The next item we have is this product right here, which is Dr. Bronner Lip Balm, and it is peppermint and it is organic. It says it's a rich blend of jojoba, avocado, and hemp oils and keeps lips soft and smooth, okay? It does say it's completely organic. Okay, and this one is a full-size product as well. That is item number 2. Then we have item number 3. And this is the Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. It says this is a single-use lip mask, and it moisturizes and hydrates instantly and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients including meadow foam seed and almond oils. This 100% natural hydrating formula leaves behind soft, smooth, and nourished lips. Okay. All right. And then moving right along, the next one we have is by St. Ives. And this is the Passion Fruit Lip Scrub. And it says vibrant exfoliating scrub polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. Okay. I have a couple of these already. Who knows? It may be in an upcoming giveaway. And this is a full-size product. All right. And moving right along. This is Milani Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick. And it says hyperpigmented formula provides bold color in just one stroke. Up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Okay. Easy Glide formula is infused with Manoi oil to keep lips hydrated and kissable. You know we got to check out this shade. Oh, it's beautiful. How about that? All right, let's see. All right, and we did one swatch across. Now it's not drying. That's really nice, and the packaging is beautiful too. And just so you know, this is number 10. I am confident. Can you see that? Okay, and then the next item that we have is by Burt's Bees, another product. Okay, and this one is the Lip Shimmer in Peony. And it says enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant-rich fruit oils to moisture, nourish, and soften lips naturally. Lip shimmers glide on with the perfect complement of moisture and touch of color. The 100% natural moisturizing lip tint has a smooth texture that looks great alone or to layer with your favorite lipstick. Okay, now this one is completely sealed. And let's see. Yes, that color is Peony, which is the color of the top, which would probably go very well with the shade that I've just swatched. Okay. Then the last product that we have, check out the name, y'all, is Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss. Plumps up. See, I don't want y'all to think I was being a smart aleck. That's the name. Can we get that? It says, this plumping gloss glides on so lips feel soft and look nourishing. featuring our trademark lip plumping technology to add extreme volume and moisture, making lips feel instantly fuller. Definitely something to shout about. Oh my God, this play on words is a little much. However, this one is the last item in this month's box. And y'all know I'm not opening this. These lips don't need to be lumped up anymore, okay? So, those are the items that we have in our February Target box. Now, I hope that you like these items, the information, and I have to tell you, I'm quite ecstatic about a few of these myself. I'm pretty sure this will be in a giveaway. I do not need the plumping action, no. And we'll see what else out of here will be in an upcoming giveaway. We'll just be packing up that giveaway box. So, I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.